Here comes the Super Bowl! The Pooch Predictor race is on! The Saints get out to an early lead. But here comes Peyton Manning and the Colts. The Saints have it around the first turn. That's Drew Brees with a touchdown. Then back to Indianapolis Colts. It looks like a runaway for the New Orleans Saints. The ones not giving up, though. Gotcha Day representing the Colts as they round the turn and head for the wire. Should be an exciting finish of the Super Bowl. The New Orleans Saints hang on to win.